So how to buy this Square token? So the symbol of that token, it's Square. So as you can see, this token came under this tweet from Dish account. As you can see, he said, "We have an absolute blue missile coming out of Bankroll's this fine morning." Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 19 hours ago and increased by 3,000% in the last 24 hours. And the market cap, it's $1.1 million. And this token also trends in number 2 in the base section on the screener right now. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to come to token address or open the Bitget white wallet. Now go to your wallet and from the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the base network. After that, click on this plus icon and paste token at the search bar. As you can see, this is our token, and click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added. The symbol of it, it's Square. Now keep searching until you find it. Now after you find it, what you need to do, as you can see here, just click on it and now click here on swap. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and now you can type in how much you want to buy, as you can see, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy this token Square, the symbol of it. And if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.